Guys, for about 3 days now, we've been getting some rain. Yes, rain. Thank you, Lord. I've been waiting for this moment. So yes, so look for a good girl plotting. Yeah, I go on good. Yes, melon them I look good too. Yeah, you. Tomato them come pretty. Oh my. Wait, look over there, so pumpkin I go on over there so too. Ah, tomato them are going too. Yeah. Alright. So 3 day rain. Yeah. Beer things. Wait till me show no over here so. Beer things. Look one good girl sweet pepper bed. Yeah. Up and running. I go on with beer things. A bag of things I go on here so. I don't know what time now. After 5 in the evening, but I don't get to come farm today. So I have to come check in and look what I go on because we get a lot of rain this morning. But I come now because a real farmer can't stay them yard and I come check them bush, right? Yeah, so good girl sweet pepper bed look good. Tomato there so.
I'm done now.
It not ready yet. It not ready yet. And next sweet pepper bed right here so. It not ready yet either. But I know it go on. By the grace of God, I shall what? Succeed. Yes. Pumpkin I kick up and I go on with a bag of things here so. A bag of things this so. It's a go on with a bag of things all over the land. I'm not watching a step here so. Watch a step right here. Come over this side.
No.
Yeah, okra go on with a bag of things soup. Me like how the plant them look. Them a go on with beer things. Yeah. Soon put in some serious crap. Tomorrow I come and not stop dig hole. I not gonna have no back left. I not gonna have no back left when me done dig hole. See me sweet potato yes so too. I go on with bag of things. But I go show you some of the melon them when I put in. I think last week I put them in or a week before. If you check my book. But see them, yeah, them they all over the place. Yeah. I put them at every fire burn. But them are going with a bag of things. Guys, see, I have so much weeding for the on the side there. Because I don't want them trick nobody feel say yes a plant. And on the plants they do so. The only thing they do is a cocoa. A beer weeding I have to do right there. So yeah. Over there so I set up one little camp. One little camp for when rain fall. We can run go in there go shelter with head. You don't know the whole 100. When they are bush. Yes. But I like how it look. I'm not sure if I show you guys this side that I was clearing the other day. Cut down over the side there. Nothing much really, but I'm going with a bag of things still. Still I take my time and do what I have to do. So I want you guys to just join me on my journey. On this journey with me. Just come join me. You know. Watch my progress. Because when I say by the grace of God I shall succeed. Yes. I'm sure no good girl pumpkin over here so. No pumpkin. This is not pumpkin. This is melon. See? Them are come pretty. See? Say hi. Yeah, my farmer baby girl. Zoe, say hi.
We plant one watermelon too.
Come, let's see if your watermelon come up. Come.
No.
You don't feel like it's up as yet?
No.
Let's check.
It's still down.
Let's check. See, night I come so I go carry them down.
Hey, look at it.
But she want to check if her watermelon come up yet. But be sure you know come up because about 3 days ago she put it in the ground.
Mommy, it's not good yet.
It's not grow yet, Mama. That's mine. That's my special one right there.
Mommy, it's look.
See?
It have a few days.
Yes, it has a few more days. Alright, don't worry about that. Soon come up, alright?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mommy, no, take it from me.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin are going with a bag of things from the salon, you know. A bag of things, yeah. Pumpkin are going with a bag of things, yes, so. Yeah, guys. So, as you can see, I still have a lot more cleaning up to do. But you're going to join me on my journey. Some more. I'm not going to stop, you know. I'm just going to keep on going. So, yes, that's what's going on my farm. Pepper bed look nice to you. Pepper bed look good. Sweet pepper bed. Real country girl style. Yeah, tomatoes them look nice. Planting them stand up, banana stand up and all these things. Yeah. Yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna get bright and early. Continue clean up over phase 1 over this so. When I go put the sweet pepper them, I have all of them 3 there over this stuff it cut up and cross cut. Let me see me do that in 2 weeks time. Melon again. Guys, let me show the melon in this place. It's go full up the whole of the video. See one yam this so. And me plant that you know. That this so. Yeah, everything will look good, everything will come up. Plant with it down in the ground what day. Watch ya. A peep up. See my peep up there so. See me too? A peep up and I go on with bare things. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we are going home now. So guys, remember to share my videos. Please subscribe, like, and whatever you want to do. You know, motivate me. Comments, guys. I have a lot of okra trees over there, but what next day I carry on over that the segment there. We're not ready for that the segment there. Still have some weeding to do down this side. Thank you guys for watching my video. Much appreciated. I'm going home now. Bye, farm. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, guys. See you all later.